Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short story named is Wonderful Waste. Okay, let us start. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his place. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. There he found a lot of vegetable scraps in the basket. The king told the cook not to throw them but use them wisely. Hearing this, the cook was puzzled. He thought again and again but couldn't come to any conclusion. Suddenly, a beautiful idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable scraps, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them in a long strips and put them in a pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Then he added the paste of grounded coconut, green chilies and garlic and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Now he whipped some curd and added to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. The new dish was now ready. Surprisingly, everyone liked it very much. The cook named it Avial, which later became a very popular dish in Kerala. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.